Hey everyone, the first thing we're going to do is understand the perspective view. This is your primary workspace where you see depth, distance, and vanishing points, simulating a real-world camera lens. To activate this, simply press P on your keyboard. Now, let's look at why this matters. If you try to navigate without this mode active, specifically in user or isometric views, the rotation feels slippery and the geometry can distort as you zoom in. It feels like the camera is broken. That is why I recommend always hitting P the moment you feel your navigation becomes unresponsive or weird, as it instantly resets the camera solver to a standard lens. The next mode is the orthographic view. This removes all perspective distortion, meaning parallel lines remain parallel forever, regardless of how far they are. Press U on your keyboard to switch to this mode instantly. Now, let's look at the visual difference. In perspective, a wall looks smaller the further it is from the camera, but in orthographic view, that same wall maintains its exact pixel dimensions regardless of the distance. This flattens the image completely. I recommend using the orthographic view specifically when you need to align furniture or architectural elements precisely without the optical illusion or depth getting in the way. Now, let's manage our screen using the quad view. Press Alt+W on your keyboard. This toggles between maximizing your current viewport and showing you the standard 4-panel layout, top, front, left, and perspective. I recommend working on quad view when you are moving objects in 3D space. You can verify the position from multiple angles simultaneously without constantly rotating your camera. And that's everything you need to keep your camera under control. By mastering just 3 shortcuts, P, U, and Alt+W, you can switch between modes instantly, fix navigation issues in seconds, and work faster in 3ds Max. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider supporting my work on Ko-fi/Archviz Explain. It helped me create more tutorials like this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.